to master of medical school. I know what to do now. Let's get me out of her suit. Oh my God, there's a lot of blood, Laurel. There's a patch that will stop the bleeding. Go get it.
Here you go.
That should stop the bleeding.
It's William. I got this. Hey, Willa.
Laurel, what are you doing on Mia's phone? Where is she?
She had an accident.
Oh my God, is she all right?
Yeah, she's fine. She just got hit by a car, but the doctor said she'll be fine.
I should get to the hospital.